Folks, welcome back to the channel. It's a cold day outside, but it's warm in here. I got my fireplace going over my shoulder, but you know what's better than that is I spun, I got level 3, and I got my bedding right behind the camera here. We're gonna go ahead and check that out in just a second, but let me talk about how cool Thewheel.com is. So what you do is you actually buy spins. It's kind of a fun little game, and you potentially, for the cost of a spin, can get something significantly more with the chance to potentially get something worth a lot more than the purchase of your spin. They have so many different categories, which is super cool. I chose bedding. We're gonna look at that in just a second and the reason why. I'm in the middle of a full gut remodel. Now they're most popular for their watch spins, which is super cool. I'm actually gonna be reviewing the watchgang.com website. It's like the #1 watch subscription service. Stay tuned for that video. I have a couple different watches I wanna show you guys. With Thewheel, you can spin for watches, cigars, women's watches, sunglasses, coffee, sports cards, jewelry, everyday carry products. So after the video is done, right below in the description box below, it's Thewheel.com. Go ahead and click that link. It'll take you over to the site where you guys can read more about it. So I actually did a spin on the bedding category, and the spin with shipping was $110. And I know that sounds kind of a lot, but I hit a level 3 on my first spin, which was super cool, and I got bedding that was worth $390. So that's a good return on my investment for sure. Level 4, I was going for that purple mattress. Unfortunately, didn't hit the level 4. And then you add items to like the Holy Grail category as well to potentially hit the big one. I'll tell you what, definitely fun. So without further ado, let's see what I got. Okay, so these were the boxes that were shipped to me. It says Sleepgram, so they must be in business with Thewheel.com to provide the products, but that's who shipped it. So let's go ahead and get these open here. Kind of fun, to be honest with you, especially since I just finished my full master bedroom remodel. I need some new bedding. So let's go ahead and get this guy on out of here and see what they sent me. Okay, we got a nice big old package here. Let's get this box out of the way. And this is going to be our Sleepgram comforter right here. Nice, it is machine washable. Gives you some directions about how to kind of fluff it a little bit. I like what I'm seeing. Let's go ahead and open it on up and see what we got inside here. I will be using this with a duvet cover, but let's go ahead and look at it here. So we're gonna need to fluff this up a little bit for my bed. Now this is a larger comforter than my bed does take. Mine's actually kind of small for my queen, so this one should be definitely big enough to actually drape down the side of the bed. We'll take a look at that, of course. So we need to fluff this, get this going. Let's look and see what else we got. So this right here is going to be my sheet set, and this is a bamboo sheet set. And if you guys are not hip on bamboo fibers, they're supposed to be real top notch. Nice little bag they give you as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what we got right here. Bamboo sheets. This is the gray color, and #1, man, those feel really, really nice. A lot better than what I got on the bed right now. So we got a flat sheet, we got a fitted sheet, all sorts of sheets. So I need to dismantle this. Let's go to the bedroom. Alrighty, so this is what the bedroom looks like right now. There's my little puppy, Berea, almost her birthday. Oh my gosh, just reminded me, tomorrow's her birthday, her 1-year birthday. Happy birthday, Berea. Happy birthday, baby. I gotta get you a little cupcake or something. Okay, so going back to the bed here. This is a queen bed, and this personal comforter cover doesn't hang over very far. Some people might like that, but look, it's a little short right here. It's almost like maybe perfect or maybe a little too short as it goes up right to here. A little bit larger would be nice, especially if you are a little bit taller. And draping down the side, maybe a little bit more on the side. So let's go ahead and put on these sheets, #1. And something, I don't know if you guys are like this yourselves, but I've always loved fresh sheet day. And what does that mean? New sheets. That means sheets fresh out of the dryer. You put them on the bed, you snuggle up, it's fresh sheet day. So now this is not only fresh sheet day, fresh comforter day. Oh, my friends, we're looking really good. We are looking really good. Obviously, there's some wrinkles in it from folding it like that. So we have a beautiful fitted sheet. We have the flat sheet on top, as well 2 pillowcases right on top. Now, just stunning. I'm telling you, this bamboo fiber, I'm not lying to you, that feels absolutely amazing. I can't wait to snuggle on in this evening. But first and foremost, I've fluffed the comforter. Let's set the comforter on now. Beautiful. Yeah, sure, a little wrinkled. My dryer doesn't do the best job, but that will fluff out eventually, give it a few days. Look at that. That just looks real nice. It took me a lot of work to do this full master bedroom remodel. If you're interested, check out the channel below, and I'm super pumped because this is kind of the cream on the crop, and I was actually waiting. I've actually had this in the box for quite a while, and it feels super good to be able to get my furniture in here from storage in my shop. Check out the channel. This is a custom LED slat wall, accent wall. I will be getting a duvet cover as well for this, just to protect it a little bit. My dog likes to jump up from her big bed down here. She likes to jump up, jump down, etc. This is Colorado. This is the country. There's a little bit of snow out there for an afternoon nap. I don't want her to mess up the beautiful white color. So, we're gonna sleep on it. We'll be back with you tomorrow. Next morning, oh boy, slept like a baby. I slipped into those sheets last night. It was like Christmas morning. Oh my goodness gracious. It's literally like chocolate cake every day. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I enjoyed that night of sleep. It was delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and leave you here. We're not only looking good, we're feeling good as well. I'll tell you what, snuggle up real nice. And that link, again, for the wheel is gonna be right below in the description box, top link. Stay tuned for the Watch Gang watch subscription service video I'm gonna be coming out. I think it's like a sister company of the wheel. I'm very impressed with the sheets and the comforter. But just like all my videos, guys, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you have the cash that intrigues you, go ahead and purchase on the way. Enjoy. Enjoy some of that fruit of your hard labor. If you wouldn't mind, hit that thumbs up button on your way out. Helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. Not to mention, helps with fresh sheets in the morning, baby. Subscribe on your way out as well. Your links are below. Take care. We'll see you on the next one. My name's Chris. Bye-bye for now. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos. Continue to watch. We'll see you soon.